Hello YouTubers, I bought a Steelseries G6V2 Pro Gaming Keyboard the other day, mechanical. So I got my finger, this is some of the details. Sorry about the focusing, using the iPhone camera. But yeah, it's got cherry black, sorry about my fingers again, cherry black MX keys. There's all the details, sorry, there, sorry. And there's the keyboard. Recommended by SK Gaming, Fantic Team, Evil Genesis. I can't say the last one, sorry about that. What's in the box obviously is just a plain box. Not really much to say about it. You get a manual, usual, product guide, sticker, etc. Now onto the keyboard. I bought this £38 from CEX. Rocking the old Pokédex there. So yeah, some of the keys are a bit worn because it's a second-hand product, but I'm going to get some new keys for it. Going to mix up a little bit. Overall, it's very responsive. And if you hear it, it's not that loud, but it's to the point where it can annoy me, but I'll show you the key, so you can get one of the keys off. 2 seconds. Yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, it's the key, so they're all interchangeable. And we just click back on, and there you go. Which is a good thing about Steelseries. The start buttons are there, so when you're playing GTA or a racing game or Battlefield 4, they've moved it over to there. And also acts as a multimedia key to turn your volume up, down, well, mute, up, down, no, down, up, pause, back, forward, and there's all the other function keys. The only things that light up on the keyboard is this, which really is subtle, which is good. The keyboard itself is actually a metal design, so it's a very heavy keyboard, so for users who get easily raged, it won't break. Well, to a certain extent. But yeah, this is my video of the Steelseries G6V2 Pro Gaming Keyboard. If you like it, put a thumbs up. If you dislike it, thumbs down, whatever. Let me know how this video was, what I need to improve, and wait until my next video, which is either I'm going to be getting an MSI R9 390, or was it 390 8GB model, or the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 980 or 970. Please let me know if you want to know about anything else about products. I don't review a lot of products, but I constantly upgrade my PC. So if you want to, I've got a GTX 760. It was already in my PC, but I've still got the box. But if you would like to see an unboxing of the GTX 760, give me a like, hit me up in the comments, subscribe to us please if you think this video is any good. But once again, I went to, in the UK, there's a shop called CEX. They sold at £38. I don't think it's any more on the site, but if there is, I'll put a link down in the description of where to buy it, and numerous other retailers where you can buy it from. But I'll talk to you in my next video. See you later.